firstly, the first sentence type we're going to be looking at is going to be exclamatory. So exclamatory type sentences. Don't worry, I'm going to explain to you later what that means. Second one is going to be interrogative type sentences. So interrogative. And last but not least, we're going to be looking at exclamatory type sentences. So we're going to be looking at 3 in total. So just to remind you, we're going to be looking at declarative type sentences, okay, interrogative type sentences, and exclamatory type sentences. Awesome, you got that? Okay, so how about we get into this presentation? See you soon, and as always, take care and stay awesome. Welcome to our critical thinking tutorial. So today we will be looking at sentence types. So sentence types. Firstly, we'll be looking at declarative. Secondly, interrogative. And last but not least, exclamatory sentences. So we're going to be looking at all 3 here. Okay, so well, let's get into this. So declarative, we're going to look at this one first. So declarative sentences, they make a statement or they give an explanation, right? These type of sentences normally provide information or even facts. So that's your declarative type sentences. Making some kind of statement. Let's look at an example. Fast food is unhealthy for you, and consuming too much results in poor health. So there you go. I am making a statement. I'm giving you a fact actually as well, right? Probably. Okay, let's move on a little bit further. So we have interrogative sentences now. Interrogative sentences. What does that mean? Let's take a look. Well, interrogative sentences, they ask a question and therefore they usually have a question mark, right? As you know, when you ask a question, there's always a question mark at the end of the sentence. That's a top tip. So interrogative, asking a question. Let's look at an example here so it kind of makes sense for us. So, have you ever seen a cat fly? Would you like to look at my homework? Have you ever met David and Max? So, interrogative, I'm asking a question. Awesome. So let's move on to exclamatory sentences. This is our last one we'll look at. What does that mean, do you think? Exclamatory sentences. Well, let's take a look. Well, these type of sentences expresses strong feelings. So strong feelings. They usually have an exclamation mark, right? So exclamatory type sentences always usually have an exclamation mark at the end of the sentence. Let's take a look, an example. Okay, so let's go to the party. This is such an awesome class. I can't believe I need to pay for this awful meal. So these 3 sentences are showing feeling and they have an exclamation mark at the end of them. Okay, we've looked at those 3. Maybe we can have a quick review here of those 3 type of sentences. So here we go. Declarative provides information, facts, makes a statement, gives an explanation. Next one. Interrogative sentences. Can you remember what interrogative sentences are all about? Well, they're usually asking a question, right? Top tip, followed by a question mark. Last but not least, exclamatory type sentences. Can you remember? What are they about? Well, they express strong feelings and emotions. And of course, they use an exclamation mark at the end of the sentence. Well, thanks for watching, everyone. And as always, take care and stay awesome.